Hi, in this video I will show you how to use light and dark mode and how to edit colors. Template comes with predefined light and dark modes. Both color themes are included by default in the template. To switch between light and dark mode in the editor, you must use the Framer toggle button. You cannot use the button from the header. That button only works when the website is published and viewed live. Now, let's try to change some colors. Let's say you want to change the blue color. Go to the left panel in Framer and navigate to Assets, Color, and select color called Vivid. In this panel, you can set a new color for light mode, when the sun icon is active, and for dark mode, when the moon icon is active. Once you set your new colors, they will automatically update on all elements in the template that use the vivid color. You can follow the same process for any other color you want to change. If you have any additional questions, feel free to contact us via our website, cocobasic.com.